Checking for Maitays in Imphal Dimapur bound passenger vehicles continues along National Highway number 102 amid the restriction for Maitays to travel along the highway due to the ongoing violence. Situation has risen for passenger vehicles to stop plying along highway due to unbearable extortion. Here's an exclusive report from SKTV News.
Imphal Dimapur bound vehicles drivers are facing immense difficulties due to the violence that hit the state since May last year. Drivers, being the sole breadwinners, are compelled to engage in available jobs following the restriction of Maitai drivers and passenger vehicles to ply along the highway. Vehicles have remained parked at their respective residences since a year due to the ongoing violence.
Imphal to Dimapur run to Wasida, I will come out to leave as I work and Galaga. Maitai over to check away, the market lay at the check away. Midangi Matamana Campopi Bazarda, Amate Baro Mani, of the Amuk checked away, take Port Yawi, Mantamana Maitai Yaw Rivra, Oliver Tuluna, Mutin checked away, driver Gigari, Maitai Gira, the How River drivers in Maitaira, Muslim La. Lay tribal la you learn check out. Security posse I am alone lay so Karigumba to have a tanda crime and a dragana Karigumba Gariti cannot happen more sound for Tongan and Targa lay.
When Hana Saramaga, when a Pangel Pasinduna, Apoy Kamaito Geda, Yunda, Among be a Pogila, Sutamandana, Sassus in Chamber, Muslim Somana to Germany, Adubo Hojiti, Poimasi, Sapon the later of Nina Poitasima, our the Mayo Mazare.
Secretary of All Manipur Interstate Bus and Allied Transport Association, Timbaijam Chandrakumar, stated that there were around 80 drivers and handymen under the association. However, they are currently engaged in available jobs, adding that only Maitai Pangal drivers are continuing their service, though the drivers face various challenges.
Driver amusung handyman ji humra marifu mulerami adu bogisi moji ato pa chinbam haibdi yum mama palabdina moji yumdu puri ba head of family ngakini matam gi afang ba u shubuna shuba adagi check shubuna shuba anakpa bazar masajing da phamna bagi adu gumagi dibam da hojik laikre adu maitai driver jing ji gari thauba yadramina suki mati ware hojik ki matam sta Kogi Muslim Sinina Mangaire, of Dictongiva passenger Jinju, Maitai of the Muslim passenger gun and Manipuri Naire, Aduna Hana Salamiva, Gari Jinji, Puloina Chapangami, Hoiti, Gari Amadami, Tarini Pantara, Bow Tunga Salaga, the line Corsa Jinji, Gari Mapuna, Pukalaga, the Maitorga, Chapangakani.
Under Interstate Transporter Association, around 150 Tata Winger drivers operated along Imphal Dimapur Road, but it has reduced to 30%. Speaking to SKTV News, President of the association, Komdram Kiran Kumar, asserted that frequent extortion and unbearable demands have made the drivers extremely inconvenient.
Hana driver or number sing see Hoji Masagi Sanaba business, not Tagana, Masagi, no over Suraga Hinari, Avatare, Masagi Hana, Jaram Bagari, you want Tokana, Matogana, my mind, Nanaba, Nanaba Honori. So, what major community and Masapaya, Trabanina, Mashira Salibasi, Orana, Gari Masapatamda, Mitari and Taganipa, Margit, Hoxen, Ponaraga Sapa, Lambi, the Muk, Tenari Basina, Pegi, Morbung Helankati, the Gidi. Saurana Masista, my Magit Sahi Yoba, Tag Yoba, no Magyoba, takes Mayamo collection of Viva, Nadusunam hadn't of Viva. Hana the Kisanarapa Naga, Shinausinga, Loba, Naglen were so more, low reversing city, and Davanate, Maduri and Kalasi, the Hojiki, Adukimati and Galakre. aduna gari si akoina sum chanaram basidagi matang chadana sap lepkhibsu yana leini ramdi kai goda akoina magi mabuk thanaba piba ngamdrabanina akoina lepkhane na logje.
If the current conflict continues and the safety of the national highway for the drivers and passengers remains unsafe, then most of the people, especially drivers, will lose their job, and the vehicle owners may be forced to sell their vehicle. Therefore, concerned authority should address the issue wisely, especially some measures have to be taken off for the safety of the national highway. This is Ketamiyum Premchand reporting for SKTV News, Imphal.